My name is Charles van der Kerkhof. I'm originally from the Netherlands, but I've lived in Sweden for the past 3.5 years. My background is in the tourism industry, mostly African safaris. I've lived and worked in Tanzania, Madagascar and Zambia. I did my first master's in nature tourism and conservation at Wageningen University in the Netherlands, and a second master's in entrepreneurship innovation here at Stan K. Johnson Center at Lund University. And now I'm finishing a third master's in food and landscape at SLU, the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. And I've got a passion for biodiversity, for nature. So the last 4 years I've been exploring what agriculture, tourism, education and entrepreneurship can be as tools to create a better impact on our planet. And for that I'm focusing my current thesis on change agents and transformative enterprises in the nexus of regenerative tourism and regenerative agriculture here in the south of Sweden. I'm working on my own startup, Fjällgås, where we accelerate the co-creation of a regenerative future and hopefully soon start a regeneration hub here in Sweden. And I am part-time working for SLU Holding, where I manage Venture Lab at SLU, which supports student entrepreneurial development at SLU on campus Alnarp. So as I mentioned, I did the master's program in entrepreneurship and innovation. I graduated in 2020 and I absolutely loved the program and especially how they integrated the mentorship part in it. Really great way for the mentors to help the students with their personal and professional development, but also open up the networks of the mentors for the student startups. Last year was my first year as a mentor for the students in entrepreneurship and innovation, and it was great. It was a really cool bunch of students and it was amazing being part of this enthusiastic hub of students, teachers, but also mentors, and an amazing way to contribute to the personal and professional development of these students on their entrepreneurial journey. What I really liked last year was the focus of a lot of students on sustainability and regeneration in business, not just in practice in their startups that they started during the program, but also in theory in their thesis topics. So my mentee last year was Claudio Pauwels, a really cool guy from the Netherlands. He did a previous master's here at Lund University, so he was really at home at the university and in the city as well. And we had really cool mentor sessions. We met up in the city for a fika and talked about what he wanted to achieve during this year, why he signed up for the entrepreneurship program in the first place. We did a really cool session where we met up with a fellow mentor, Mark Lewis, and we met with our mentees and we used the LEGO Serious Play methodology to envision the startups that they were working on. The interesting part there was that we really focused on the communication aspects within that startup, within the team, how to communicate the idea and what you want to achieve from this year. Claudio was working on a really cool project called Woolly Design, where they designed sound-absorbing wool panels made from wool that would otherwise go to waste. So he was really focusing on that sustainability aspect within the startup, which was really cool. And also in his thesis, they focused together with Esme on a regenerative mindset in businesses. So it was a really cool year spending together with Claudio, and I'm really looking forward to see what next year's students will focus on. If you want to explore entrepreneurship and innovation, I would recommend you signing up for this master's program at Lund University. If you are already admitted, congratulations. You will be in for a wild roller coaster ride, but you're going to enjoy it. If you want to be part of this really enthusiastic network of students, teachers and mentors, and you want to take up this mentor role, I would also advise you to get in touch. Because it's an amazing place if you want to put your time and effort in this next generation of impact entrepreneurs.